Hey everybody, I'm Sean. Welcome to another episode of Adventuring Spiders. Welcome back everybody. Today's episode, it's the end of the trip. And this is Bangkok, Thailand. Headed out to go cruise on a boat along the Kwai River. Close this one out at sunset. Maybe show a few highlights. And let's just jump right to it. Alright, so here we are. And we are going to go on this beautiful boat. Private cruise. And about 2.5 hour cruise. We're gonna have supper and we're gonna see the sights of Bangkok by night. Started our cruise here. Enjoying the beautiful evening on the river in Bangkok. Some excellent company. High-end shopping mall here. We've got Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Cartier. I'm assuming a hotel next to it. Several of them. Alright, we're just going by Wat Arun. This is a very famous Buddhist temple here in Bangkok, 300 years old. Looks absolutely amazing.